Hello everyone, I am Santosh Shogunarao. I am from Sangli. Today date is 21 December 2021. Today topic is memory allocation in Java. First one, management in Java. In Java, memory management is the process of the allocation and deallocation of object called memory management. Java does memory management automatically. Java uses an automatic memory management system called garbage collector. Thus, we are not required to implement memory management logic in our application. Java memory management divides into two major parts. First one is uh, uh, JVM memory structure working of the garbage collector. JVM memory structure. JVM create various runtime data areas in heap. These areas are used during the program execution. The memory areas are destroyed when no JVM exists. Whenever the data areas are destroyed when the thread exit. Method area is a part of heap memory which is shared among all the threads. It create when the JVM starts up. It is used to store the class structure, so superclass name, interface name, and constructor. The JVM stores the following kinds of information in the method area. First one is a fully qualified name of type for example string. The type modifiers direct superclass name heap area. Heap stores the actual object it creates. When the JVM starts up, the user can control the heap if needed. It can be the fixed or dynamic size. When you use the new keywords, the JVM creates an instance for the object in the while in reference of object stored in stack. There exists only one heap for each running JVM process. When the heap becomes full, the garbage collection. The above statement creates an object of the string builder class. The object allocated to the heap and reference sub allocated to the heap of divided into following parts. Young generation, superior space, old generation, permanent generation, code caches, reference. There are four types of reference: strong, weak, soft, and phantom reference. Their difference among type of reference is that the object of the heap they refers to the eligible for garbage collecting under the different criteria. Strong reference, it is the very simple as used in our daily programming, and any object of has a strong reference attached to not eligible for garbage collection. We can create a strong reference by using following statement: string builder SB is equal to new string builder round bracket complete. Weak reference, it is does not survive after the next garbage collection process if we are not sure when the data will be requested again. In this condition, we can create a weak reference to it. In case if garbage collector process, it can destroy the object. When we are creating restrictive object, we get null value. Soft reference, it is collected when the application is running low on memory. Garbage collector does not collect the softly reaches object. All the soft reference object are collected before the throw out memory error. Stack area generates the threads created. It can be either fixed or dynamic size. The stack memory is allocated per thread. It is used to store data and parallel result. It contain reference to heap object. It also holds the value of itself rather than reference to object from the heap. The variable which can be stored have the certain visibility called scope. Stack frame. Stack frame is the data structure that contains the thread data. Thread data represent the state of the thread in the current method. It is used to store the partial result and data. It also perform dynamic linking values. Return type written by method and dispatch execution. When a method invoke a new frame creates it destroy the frame when the invocation of the method complete. Each frame contains own local variables, array of operating stack, and frame data. The size of LVAOS and FD determine the compile time. Only the frame the executing method. It is activate any point in the given thread control. This uh, the class of method is called current class. The frame stop the current class if it's invoke the another method or the method compiles. The frame created by a thread is local. The to that thread and cannot be referenced by any thread. PC registers. Each thread has a program counter PC register associated with the PC register store the return address or native pointer. It is also contain the address of the JVM instruction currently being executed. Working of garbage collector and garbage collector overview. When a program execute in Java, it is usually memory in different way. The heap is a part of memory, whereas object live it's the only part of memory that is involved in the garbage collection process. It is also known as garbage collection heap. All the garbage collection makes sure that the heap has much free space as possible. The function of garbage collector is delete the object that cannot be reached. Object allocation. We know object allocate the JVM checks the size size of object. It distinction between the small and large object. The small and a large depends on the JVM version. Heap size, garbage collection strategy, and platform used. The size of the object is usually between 2 to 128 KB. The small objects are stored in the thread local area TLA, which a free chunk of heap. TLA does not synchronize on other threads. When the TLA becomes full, request for new TLA types of garbage collection. There are 5 types of garbage collection: serial GC, major and minor GC, parallel GC. Uh, uh, Thank you.